Hi, Julia here from Accessorize Your Life. Thank you for tuning in to this video because I am very excited to share it with you. Mostly excited to open it and see what it is myself. I'm talking about the Juvia'S Place Holiday Mystery Bag. Now it says bag, but it's in a box. And I just received it today and I want to open it with you. It retails for $18, but it's supposed to have a value much more than $18. So I want to check that out for you. You do get 3 items in it, and it says that this is worth $60. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what they say. And like I said, 3 items, 1 eyeshadow palette and 2 other mystery items. It'll all be a mystery to me. And it says you won't know what you get until you open it. So that's why I'm so excited to open it. I've got my trusty little package opener here. Came in a plain brown box, as you can see. Nothing special. Something's moving in there though. So we're gonna open her up. Sliced it already. Gotta slice it more. They really tape them up, and I'm glad they do. Yes, I love a good mystery when I know it's something good. I'm hoping I can use all that's in here, but if I can't, we have places and things to do with what's in here, right? Okay, this is what it looks like inside. What gets me is that they put a pretty package online to show you it's a mystery whatever, but what you get looks always so plain. I keep expecting something pretty when I open the box, but nope, don't get anything pretty. Okay, so you get this foam, and it looks like it's a palette that I don't have. It's the Nubian 2, or do I? This doesn't look familiar to me. Nope, it doesn't look familiar. Inspired by an African empire in Old Egypt, headed by the beauty icon Nefertiti, she was famously endowed with strength and spirituality. This palette consists of 12 versatile array of metallic shades and pops of color, and it is taped up. So let's untape it. Okay, here it is. That's a pretty green there. I love greens. That's a nice blue. There's a purple, and looks like a berry here, and the rest of them are tans. Oh, there's a gold, and then a deeper gold or something there. So the rest of them are tans and things like that. Pretty. Let's go on and see what's next. I left my eyes kind of blank, so I guess no, let's don't go see what's next. Let's put some of this eyeshadow on my eyes. Well, I'm wearing red because it is the season. I put on black eyeliner, and I saw that this was a rave on TikTok to use a fork, and I took a plastic one, lined it up here, and tried to put on some eyeliner. This is what I got. This is the best I could do with it. And I read that the reviews were all over the place, but mostly people thought it was a dangerous way to apply eyeliner. I don't think it's too dangerous. You just stick a fork, lay it flat against your eye, and line it up. It's not perfect either, but it didn't do bad, right? Okay, so there's no sleeve. Oh yeah, there is a sleeve. Here it is. It wasn't laying here. So let's see, with what I'm wearing, and I have the brown here, and then I have the eyeliner. Let's test out. What do you think? You want the purple or maybe the gold? I'm wearing silver. I don't know what to do. Let's first test them out on my hand. Ooh. Ooh, whoa. Can you see that? That's pretty. Can you see that? Okay. Let's find a place to swatch these, because I think we're gonna like these. Let's do it right here. So I'm gonna start here with Morocco and then go across Madagascar, Sheba, and Ya. These are gonna be some wild names for me to try to pronounce. That's the first one. I need something to wipe my hand or fingers off on. Here's the second one. That one was Madagascar. It's like my skin tone. Pretty. Sheba. Sheba's a little deeper. Ooh, with a little reflex in there or something. Shimmer. And then Ya. Y-A-A. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, next is Jezebel, which looks like a bosenberry or kind of a reddish purple kind of color. That's pretty. Let's do that one again. Like a bosenberry or something. That's pretty. Zuri, which is a kind of a creamy color. Cleopatra, just like a blue to me. Nefertiti, almost similar to this fourth one here, which was Ya. Now let's go, where can you see it if I do it? Over here maybe, right here. Okay, we only have 4 more. This is Nairobi. Layla. That's pretty. That one looks more of a bosenberry. This is definitely a brown in the pan. This is Kenya. Let's do that one again. And this one is Egypt. That's a green. Ooh. Be still my heart. Oh. Oh, I love Egypt. That's beautiful. Let's put a little bit of Egypt on my eyes. Oh, I'm just going to go in with a larger brush. I'm just not going to do anything particular, but just put a little bit of Egypt on my eyes. Look how beautiful Egypt is. Oh, who knew I'd get such a beautiful green? I just sent away for a palette because it had Natasha Denona's Christmas palette. Because it had a beautiful green in it. Oh gosh. And I got one here. This is the best green I've ever put on my eyes. Oh my goodness. I'm loving this. What do you think? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I need another brush. And I'm going to go into, which one did I say was a nude for me? The second one, Madagascar, this one. And I'm just going to put it above, just to even this out. Oh, this is gorgeous. I've got it all in the corner kind of wrong, but that is so pretty. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Nairobi, which is that golden color. Right here. Talking about pigmentation. I think someone asked me what was my favorite makeup brand, and I couldn't believe it, but I said Juvia'S Place because for so long I was intimidated by Juvia'S Place in all of the colors. And I kind of messed that up, I think, on the inner corner. I never am ready for all of the color you get. Let's go back in with that green because I don't want to wash that out. Look, no glitter glue needed. This is gorgeous. How do you like it? Alrighty. The Nubian 2. It's the first item in my mystery box or bag, my holiday mystery bag. Okay, let's pick this back up, and we have 2 more items. The next one is this. Oh, this is new. This is from the latest one. It's the it's the Ice Loose Highlighter. Let me get these colors off here before I make a mess. Okay, I almost ordered this because I do have the ice palette. So now I have another item to go along with it. It's the highlighter. Comes in a little package like this, and it's I would think this should be blue, but it's not. It has a sifter on the top. This is a highlighter, right? Ooh. Leave it to me to go in ham. Whoa, 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 whoa. Highlighter. Let's get busy with it. Kind of I expected it to be a white, but it's more of a gold. Okay. You see it? Mm-hmm. That's not my hair. Okay, Juvia'S place. That's my second item in this mystery bag, the holiday mystery bag. Again, this is the Ice Loose Highlighter. Alrighty, we have one more item. Is it in the box? Yeah, I left it in the box. Here it is, bouncing around. And what is this? It's the Glass Lip Gloss in a white little box. And it says it's electric. As if my eyes are not electric enough. There it is. The little pink. Oh, it's got wrapping on it. Ah, not easy to get into. Well, this doesn't, to me, look like a cohesive holiday box, but I don't know. I'm thinking Christmas. Maybe they're thinking New Year's or something. I don't know. I purposely left my lips blank or void of lipstick just in case I got something. And so this is it. This is the look I got from the holiday mystery bag from Juvia'S place. I paid $18 for this bag, mystery bag, and this is what I got: a palette, highlighter, and I guess lip gloss, high shine. So these are the 3 items you get. I hope you like them. I think I will put them to good use. Why not? They are not Christmas themed, although you could use this green shadow for Christmas for sure, or you could just do a gold look. There's I think a couple of colors in here, even if you just wanted to do a neutral look with some of these browns or bronzy look, or blue look is pretty for Christmas as well. You could actually get a Christmas look out of here. Definitely you could get a New Year's look with this highlighter and these shadows, and then this gloss would make a nice topper. And it says it's electric. Maybe when it's on another color. But anyway, that's what I got in the December holiday mystery bag. Thank you for watching, and I don't know the value of any of these things. I'm not that big of a shopper, but if I find out shopper from Juvia'S place, but I'm starting to pick up more. If I find out the prices, I will add it up and kind of throw it in the video somewhere. Okay? Alrighty guys, thank you for tuning in for this quick video And I hope you like the products I got and the look that I threw on my face from the products I received in the mystery bag from Juvia'S Place. Take care and I'll see you. Remember, a smile is your best accessory. Bye-bye.